Hey guys, welcome to my new other video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story views is not showing. If you have upload any Instagram story but Instagram story views is not showing, if you have still facing this problem, so watch this video and solve your problem. So let's start this video without wasting time. Firstly, minimize your Instagram app and go on your mobile app store or Play Store app. After then open your Play Store app or mobile app store, go on search bar and Instagram type in Instagram and firstly check it your Instagram update or not update. If you have Instagram is not updated, firstly update your Instagram app and go back. After then go on your mobile settings, go on your mobile setting and scroll down. Here you see app management or app application. If you have mobile in app application, so just enter into the app application. If you have mobile in app management, so just enter into the app management. After enter into the app management and scroll down, here you see search Instagram app. Here you see Instagram, so just enter into the Instagram app. Here you see first option storage usage, so just click enter into the storage usage and clear cache and clear data. When clear data, your Instagram app is log out and go back. After then clear cache and clear data and go back. Here you see permission option, so just enter into the permission option and allow all permission: calendar, camera, contacts, location, microphone, phone and storage, and go back. Here you see second option, data usage details, so just click enter into the data usage detail and enable the background data and your problem has been solved. If my video was helpful, so just like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.